Did you know that you can use items you already have in your home to make fertilizer? In this video, we'll explore easy ways to feed your plants with household items. It's a Sprouted Seeds YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Banana peels. Chop your banana peel coarsely and let it steep in water for a minimum of 5 hours. Use the nutrient-rich liquid that remains after straining this mixture through a sieve to irrigate your plants. Fertilize with aquarium water. The idea that fish waste from a fish tank can be utilized as a natural fertilizer for plants may surprise you. However, if you are familiar with aquaponic farming, you are aware of the mutually beneficial relationship that exists between fish and plants. Aquarium water is naturally filtered by plants, and fish excrete waste that contains organic nutrients that are highly beneficial to plants. As usual, clean the water in your aquarium, but save the murky fish waste to use as plant food. Aquarium water makes an excellent homemade fertilizer for leafy indoor houseplants due to its high nitrogen content. If you regularly add special chemical conditioners to the water in your aquarium, stay away from fertilizing edible plants. Coffee grounds. In addition to useful organic matter, aerating the soil, and aiding in water retention, coffee grounds are high in nitrogen. Just sprinkle a few spoonfuls of coffee grounds onto the top of the soil surrounding your plant. Use only brewed coffee grounds. Unbrewed coffee is too acidic and can damage your plants. When it comes to plants that need more acidic soil, spent coffee grounds make an excellent natural fertilizer. Eggshells. Plants require calcium, which is abundant in eggshells. You can either pulverize your shells into a powder. You will need to boil your eggshells for 5 minutes and then bake them for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees Celsius, in the oven. Then, use a food processor to grind them into a fine powder. Directly sprinkle the powder onto the soil surrounding your plants, then give them a quick watering. Collect grass clippings. Grass clippings not only prevent weeds from growing, but they also give your plants a boost of nitrogen and potassium, and enhance their capacity to hold moisture. Should you intend to use your grass clippings for another purpose, stay away from applying harsh chemical fertilizers to your lawn. These substances might damage or irritate plants that are healthy. Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps plants grow greener and bushier and helps them take up nutrients. To water your plants, just combine 1 or 2 tablespoons with 1 gallon or 4 liters of water. Use discarded weeds as plant food. The leaves and roots of weeds contain a substantial amount of nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and sulfur. As long as you keep their seeds away from your plants, weed mix won't generate any unwanted greenery in your vegetable garden. Mix water and weed stems, leaves, and roots in a 1:4 ratio. The mixture should be kept in a bucket or airtight jar. For 4 to 5 weeks, stir the mixture every few days. When the weed tea is ready, use a cloth filter to strain the mixture. Use a 1:10 ratio to dilute the tea with water before applying it to your plants. Providing plants with the nutrients they require to develop, bloom, and bear fruit is largely dependent on fertilizer. Homemade fertilizers can be a great alternative to store-bought fertilizers.